channel. Today I'm showing you the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, the new face of luxury travel. We're traveling on the Toyota Luxury Motorhome, and don't forget, like this video and subscribe to the channel.
The 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 4x4 Motorhome arrives as one of the most exciting breakthroughs in the world of compact off-road RVs. Created for travelers who want strength, comfort, reliability, and freedom all in one machine. Built on Toyota's new generation reinforced platform, the Hikecruze blends rugged off-road engineering with premium home-style comfort, proving that you don't need a massive luxury coach to explore America's wild roads in style. The moment you see the Hikecruze, you feel it is engineered for the modern explorer. The body is muscular yet beautifully sculpted, with Toyota's latest aerodynamic lines designed to reduce wind drag even at highway speeds. The raised stance, high-clearance bumper, all-terrain tires, and advanced 4x4 drivetrain instantly signal that this motorhome is ready for the deserts of Arizona, the snowy trails of Colorado, the forests of Oregon, or the long ocean highways of California. Everything about the 2026 Hikecruze is built for real adventure, and that's exactly why it's becoming one of America's most talked about compact motorhomes. The front fascia reflects Toyota's futuristic design language with a bold full-width LED light bar, aggressive grille, and active airflow channels that keep the engine cool even under heavy off-road stress. The 2026 model introduces a new 2.8 liters turbo hybrid system, combining diesel torque with electric boost for maximum pulling power and fuel efficiency. Whether you're crawling over rocky terrain or cruising through long stretches of open road, the power delivery stays smooth, confident, and responsive. The 4x4 system is equipped with Terrain Select modes, hill descent assist, lockable differentials, and next-generation suspension designed to stabilize the motorhome on uneven landscapes without sacrificing interior comfort. Toyota's engineers wanted the Hikecruze to feel like a stable luxury cabin, even while tackling rugged environments. And the result is a motorhome that truly handles like no other compact RV in its segment. Stepping inside the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze feels like entering a mini luxury suite. Even though this is a smaller 4x4 motorhome, Toyota has reimagined the use of space with outstanding creativity. The interior has a warm, elegant, and premium atmosphere created through soft touch surfaces, wood texture panels, ambient LED lighting, and ultra-comfort seating. A panoramic side window stretches across the living area to bring in natural light and give travelers a stunning view of mountains, oceans, forests, or wherever their journey takes them. The interior layout has been designed with American travel lifestyles in mind, offering comfort for long road trips, weekend adventures, and off-grid living. The living area includes a multifunction sofa that converts into a comfortable bed, with memory foam cushions designed for perfect rest after long days of exploration. The compact dining space can transform into a workstation, allowing digital nomads and remote workers to travel the country while staying fully connected. Toyota integrates a smart touchscreen hub that manages lighting, climate control, battery systems, and entertainment, giving you full control of the motorhome with a simple touch. The kitchen in the Hikecruze proves that even small motorhomes can feel luxurious. It includes a stainless steel sink, dual-burner induction stove, microwave, compact oven, refrigerator, and plenty of overhead storage. Toyota added a slide-out countertop extension to increase workspace, making it easier to prepare meals on the go. Whether you're cooking simple road snacks or full meals for family and friends, the kitchen is designed to feel practical, elegant, and easy to maintain. It's perfect for travelers who love to camp deep in nature but still enjoy the convenience of modern cooking. The bathroom is compact but surprisingly premium. It includes a smart water-efficient shower, ceramic toilet, ventilation system, and heat-retaining walls that keep the space warm during cold weather. The water system is designed for both campground and off-grid travel, supported by a high-capacity freshwater tank, gray tank, and Toyota's efficient water recycling technology. One of the biggest strengths of the Hikecruze is its off-grid capability. The motorhome is equipped with a roof-mounted solar array, an 8 kWh lithium battery pack, and an intelligent inverter system that lets you run appliances, charge devices, and stay powered even in remote areas with no hookups. For longer journeys, Toyota includes an engine-linked generator mode that replenishes the battery while driving. This allows travelers to camp in the wilderness for days without worrying about electricity. The motorhome also features powerful climate control designed to handle extreme American weather conditions. From hot summers in Texas to freezing temperatures in northern states, storage is another area where the Hikecruze shines. The exterior includes sealed cargo compartments, ideal for tools, camping gear, hiking equipment, small bikes, or emergency supplies. Inside, Toyota has created hidden storage spaces beneath the seating, inside wall panels, and under the bed to maximize space without adding clutter. Everything has a purpose, everything has a place, and everything feels refined. Driving the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze is one of the most unique experiences. Among compact the cabin is elevated, providing a commanding view of the road, and the digital cockpit displays real-time navigation, terrain data, engine status, and off-road diagnostics. It feels like piloting a futuristic adventure machine rather than a traditional RV. The seats are ventilated, heated, and designed for long-distance comfort, ensuring that both driver and passenger remain relaxed even during 8 to 10-hour journeys. Advanced driving assists like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, and 360-degree cameras make the Hikecruze easy to handle on highways and narrow trails alike. What truly sets the 2026 Hikecruze apart is the way it balances rugged capability with peaceful comfort. It is a vehicle that feels just as at home in a national park as it does on a modern American freeway. Travelers can explore hidden trails, visit remote camping spots, and enjoy scenic drives, all while carrying the comfort of a modern home with them. The Hikecruze is built for solo adventurers, couples, small families, and anyone who wants a compact motorhome that doesn't compromise on strength or luxury. The 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 4x4 Motorhome represents the future of mobile adventure travel. It blends technology, performance, comfort, and off-road mastery into one beautifully engineered machine. With rising interest in RV living, outdoor adventure, and flexible travel lifestyles in the United States, the Hikecruze is the perfect model for a new generation of explorers. It is a symbol of freedom, durability, and innovation, designed for Americans who want the ability to go anywhere and experience everything. Whether you're traveling across state lines, camping in national parks, discovering scenic routes, or simply escaping the noise of the city, the Hikecruze gives you the power to turn every journey into a story worth remembering.